let me know if you understand that level of tension, that level of anxiety between you and your spouse, where they might say to you, "You're on the phone again? Do you ever get off of that computer?" That causes tension, that causes stress. And again, what we're talking about specifically today is running your home-based business and creating that lifestyle business that's conducive to your whole family's goals. And I want to kind of paint this picture before we kick off, because now, and my husband will admit that to me now, because I'm making the money, right? Because I have the influence, because I have impact, I've impacted others, because I'm on leaderboards, I'm winning, my bank account reflects my action, where it didn't at the beginning.